description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And we got something neat today. This came by way of James from Lakeside, California. This is Little Cook Sriracha sauce. Sriracha sauce. Instant cup noodle. This is from Thailand, and I'm going to tell you right now, all over this thing, there were stickers. Like, a lot. Usually the information on how to cook stuff and all the ingredients for Thai varieties are very different than what you find here. So they demand that you do the whole relabeling and all that fun stuff. Comes with a folding fork 3 times. And yeah, so what do we do here? We add water. We don't add anything else. Honestly though, I think we're supposed to add the vegetable. So there's water. It said 3 to 5 minutes. I will do 4. Splitting the difference. And yeah, so today is what do you call it? Yeah, today is Thursday, and now I've officially been like laid up with my leg for a whole week, and that's like driving me bonkers. So I went and I talked to my physician, and he said, okay, we're going to give you more antibiotics and see if that helps, and if it does, great. If it doesn't, you need to see me right after that. I'm like, well, I got an appointment for in person in a week or so. Or what, the 29th. What's today, the 17th? So that's 12 days. So, yeah, I think we're good. He said we're good. So, yeah. But yeah, the antibiotic that he prescribed, it makes me super nauseated. And then I didn't realize until pretty far in that you kind of need to take you need to take it with food. So I just took it, so pretty quick I'll be doing my reviewing and stuff. And when I did that yesterday, it seemed to work out really well. So yeah. But it looks nice out. I'm bummed because it's like I can't go and walk around. I dislike that. Like, more than you can know. I really dislike that. But I don't know what else to do other than say, I dislike that. So, I dislike it. So on this one's interesting because it says drain the water after this, but not all of it. It's like, okay, I won't drain all of it. I'll drain some of it. Shouldn't be too hard. I think I can handle that. Yeah, this one came from James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, man. He sent a box that I did the unboxing yesterday. I've got so much video to edit. Oh my god. But we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 unboxings I need to edit. And I know there's like 2 more boxes coming sometime soon. But I've got stuff done so I can do what I've gotten, I guess. Anyways, I guess I could wait. I don't know. But, yeah. Yep. But this one's from Thailand. He sent some really weird, out there stuff I've never seen. And that's my favorite flavor. Like, whoa, what's that flavor? It's like a Korean variety. I can't tell what name it is. It just says K-Town on it. And, God, what did it say? Hula ramen. It's like hula, like a hula hoop. I don't know. And then there's like a Snoopy noodle. What brand was that? It was Vietnamese. I don't know. But this is almost done. And we'll be draining momentarily. I like to drain. Whoa, I almost hit the wrong button. Okay. So, I was going to use chashu with this, but I'll use chashu on my third one. Whew. That should work. So, I got rid of a good portion of water. Come on. There you go. Let's add this stuff and see what happens. I hope it's good. I've had some Thai varieties that like look kind of like, but are insanely good. I had a green curry one. Why are there dogs barking? That's not necessary. No, no, no. No, no, no. And then it has a Sriracha element. I wonder what kind of Sriracha this is. If this is like... Ooh. Yeah, that's very Thai. I like that. So there's a place in Thailand called Sriracha. Is it the same as Sriracha? Well, yes and no, because there's Sriracha sauce and it's Vietnamese. Well, that's not like normal. I think. I don't know. Oh, come on, really? We don't need any barking. It's gonna do it over and over. It's gonna yip, 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 yip. Yeah, I hear you. Don't need to keep squabbling. So here is the noodle. There's a little bit of veg on it. Sounds interesting. Oh, wow. Not as expected. It's tangy. I quite like that. Nice noodle, nice tanginess. It's not like, it's not Sriracha like I was expecting. It's more Thai, and I like that and immensely. You know, I'm thinking, do I want to use this bowl for that, or do I want to use, what's my other choice? You know, that little dog arfing in the background, that's just too much. We're gonna use this one. I've used this one quite a bit. That looks pretty good. There's some veg in the bottom. I'm keen on this one, man. Let me tell you, this has a nice flavor. This is like one that I could just gobble straight down right this moment. So, man, I wish I had some basil. That's always nice with Thai varieties. That's right. I am using chashu with this one. little crushed red pepper. Let me see how my mint is looking. There. Jimmy the mint. I think I need to get another mint plant, honestly. That would be nice. More mint, more mint. Now the question is, do I want to torch that? And I don't. I'm not in the mood to torch it. You think we're good? No, we're not good. Rotate. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, the next one that you're going to see is not ramen, but an add-on for ramen. Something completely different. This is in a little box that you can sell uptown. This is Ramen Aid. It is a dietary supplement, and this one has immune support and electrolytes. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook something up with that, stir it in, see what happens. So yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
It's a product of a lifetime, incredible, metaphysical.